Now, as of the 24th of October, Norway has seen 131 sales of Nio, and this means that now they have like 11 vehicles to go until they get to their record-breaking deliveries, which they reported back in 2022 of around 142 deliveries. And I have been saying this whole week to say that we are going to see that happening, and to say that they are this close, I mean, it's something that is very interesting. I mean, this is as of the 24th. And from the 24th through the 31st, we've got like what? 7 days. So we've got one full week, which, boy, I must say, I'm looking forward to that record-breaking deliveries that is coming from Norway. Norway, I've told you before, I'll tell you again. The reason why I talk about Norway is that Norway is not participating onto the tariff increase, and knowing that Norway, it is the country selling most Nio cars, and we are seeing this, I think it brings some relief, right, to say that Norway, knowing very well that they're not participating into the tariff increase by the European Commission, we can expect to continue see good deliveries coming from Norway. We can expect seeing a revenue growth from Nio in Norway, because the more they sell their cars, is the more we are going to see their revenue grow. I mean, the penetration rate of EVs in Norway, it's extremely high, and knowing that Nio will be sending their sub-brands, and that is Envoy and Firefly there, also me and you, I think we can agree on to one thing, and that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, especially with the Firefly. We are going to see Nio starting to deliver some pretty good, decent deliveries in Norway alone. With Envoy being taken there, I have no doubt that we could get to see Nio reaching 1,000 every month in Norway, which we look forward to, because with Firefly, you will know that it will be sold inside Nio stores, meaning that those people that might want to see or go and inquire about Nio, and they see that they can't afford Nio, they will have an option to go to Firefly and Envoy. But Firefly, I think it will be the one with that will have most potential, because it will be inside the Nio store, right? They won't have to go maybe outside the stores, go to Envoy maybe, but they will find it on Nio store. So if they can't afford the Nio, they will just obviously go to Firefly, because it will be also supporting battery as a service, which entails those that subscribe to Bus, when they buy Firefly, they will also enjoy the luxury that comes with going to a battery swapping station and complete a full autonomous battery swap, which is massive, which is bullish, right? So the future is looking bright for Nio, and I just hope things can continue improving in Europe, and the back and forth from the tariff situation between China and the European Commission, I hope they find a solid ground, and because it's not looking good for all the Chinese EV makers who want to penetrate the European market. It's not looking so good, and therefore I just hope they can find a solution which will be beneficial to both parties, so that this chapter can be closed and we continue seeing growth onto Chinese EV makers or EV companies like Nio. So yeah, man, we don't have the deliveries of Norway for today, but hopefully Monday, Tuesday, we'll get those numbers, and as they come, I will tell you. I think the next video that I will be talking about Norway will be talking after we have reached the record-breaking deliveries, or generated record-breaking deliveries in Norway, and they have surpassed the 142 sales that Norway got for the year 2022, or some month back in 2022. I think that will be the next video. We'll be talking about Norway, and I think that video will be sometime before, will come before Wednesday, because at the rate that we are seeing Nio Norway pushing to sell the cars, I think you and me can agree that we need to brace ourselves for what's about to come there. And it is very good that we are seeing already these kind of developments in Norway, because what we usually see is that towards the end of the year, the demand for cars, or people buying cars, it usually goes up, and as it goes up, companies like Nio generate extraordinary deliveries, or they report some very good deliveries. And knowing that already Norway Nio is generating this kind of sales, it means that November and December, who knows, they could be much better than the kind of deliveries we are seeing now. And this will only mean one thing, and that is blue sky is coming even in Europe. I mean, tariffs, yes, they might kick in some of the other European countries when you're selling, and that is Denmark, Germany, Netherlands, and Sweden. Next week, we don't know if it will be on Friday. But knowing that Norway, which is the best-selling country, it's still doing this well, I think it is something that is really, really commendable, and I like to see this. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about these figures. I think, though to some others, these figures might not be that much. I mean, to people that, of course, are also following Nio's, or we also want Nio to grow outside of China, I think this is important to see this kind of growth, and it is for that reason that I'll continue reporting this growth that we are seeing outside of China, reporting this kind of sales that we are seeing outside of China, because if I know for now they don't make much impact onto Nio's sales and Nio's deliveries, but in the long term they will, right? I think Europe is important for Nio also in the long term, because we need growth, right? And for Nio to continue growing, they need to expand globally, or they need to make sure that they have got a footprint all over the world, which is something that we want. It's for that reason that we want them to also penetrate the European market and do well there, which doing well will come, or will be based on the decision made by the EU Commission when it comes to the tariff increase. So for now, European market might not be as important because it's not generating that much of sales, but in the future it will be, or it will play some role, because it will help Nio in expanding into selling more vehicles, which is something that, of course, we look forward to. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. I think blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded in the long term. So do your own due diligence, man, because the stock price wise, we know that Nio is very volatile, and therefore for you to be comfortable or know what to do with your holdings, you need to do some due diligence, that at least you don't get to panic sell when you sometimes see sharp falls, sharp drops. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe if you are a Nio follower, or if you want latest updates on Nio on a daily basis, because what I do on this channel, I give you the latest developments, latest updates on Nio each and every single day. And if you are a Nio follower, then this channel will be a good channel for you. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you did enjoy the content. I'll really appreciate, guys. I've been getting, this channel has been getting some attraction, and I think I really appreciate you guys for always coming and also watch these videos, in as much as you are getting information, but it is also helping the channel to grow, which therefore that I must say from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate. Let's see how things go on Nio, and hopefully in the near future also the share price will get to where you want it to be. All of us, we've got our targets, right, in terms of the share price, and I hope that in the near future that target, or that share price where you want to see Nio trading at, it comes very soon. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.